Ethereum value equivalent to 33,959 rands a coin. The present cost range, 33,767 34,206. The earlier day close, 34,045. The change was 0.25%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 33,678 rands, high 36,035, low 31,321. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost 33,407 rands, high 35,745, low 31,069. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 34,340 rands, high 36,744, low 31,936. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 13, cost 35,987 rands, high 38,506, low 33,468. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost 36,063 rands, high 38,587, low 33,539. And multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost 35,466 rands, high 37,949, low 32,983. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 34,903 rands, high 37,346, low 32,460. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost 35,378 rands, high 37,854, low 32,902. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 35,035 rands, high 37,487, low 32,583. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost 35,739 rands, high 38,241, low 33,237. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 37,060 rands, high 39,654, low 34,466. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 35,572 rands, high 38,062, low 33,082. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 35,563 rands, high 38,052, low 33,074. Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 35,519 rands, high 38,005, low 33,033. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 34,292 rands, high 36,692, low 31,892. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, May 1, cost 35,980 rands, high 38,499, low 33,461. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 34,582 rands, high 37,003, low 32,161. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 36,549 rands, high 39,107, low 33,991. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 35,448 rands, high 37,929, low 32,967. Ethereum figure on Friday, May 5, cost 35,618 rands, high 38,111, low 33,125. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 34,603 rands, high 37,025, low 32,181. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost 36,906 rands, high 39,489, low 34,323. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023. Before all else cost at 32,390 rands. Excessive cost 39,654, while low cost 31,069. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,351. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 34,292, change for April 5.9%. Ethereum figure for May 2023. To start with cost at 34,292 rands. Exorbitant cost 39,944, while low cost 32,161. The found the middle value of cost 35,265. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 34,664, change for May 1st 0.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 34,664 rands. Exorbitant cost 40,914, while low cost 34,664. The found the middle value of cost 37,120. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 38,237, change for June 10.3%. Ethereum estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 38,237 rands. Exorbitant cost 43,591, while low cost 37,887. The found the middle value of cost 40,114. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 40,739, change for July 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 40,739 rands. Exorbitant cost 50,565, while low cost 40,739. The found the middle value of cost 44,825. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 47,257, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 47,257 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,257, while low cost 40,193. The found the middle value of cost 44,481. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 43,218. Change for September 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 43,218 rands. Excessive cost 43,218, while low cost 33,762. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 39,125. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 36,303, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 36,303 rands. Excessive cost 45,059, while low cost 36,303. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 39,944. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 42,111, change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 42,111 rands. Excessive cost 42,111, while low cost 35,536. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 39,492. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 38,211, change for December 9.3%.